ATech Training has been working very hard over the last few years to extend our partnerships out to multiple companies. We really appreciate our partnership with Garage Gurus and look forward to continuing to train their trainers and providing them with cutting-edge training equipment. Today we've offered up a Train the Trainer event where we brought all of Garage Gurus technicians and trainers to one centralized location where we were able to do some top-end cutting-edge training on our GM land network training and our ABS vehicle stability control and anti-lock brake systems trainer. I think the Garage Guru program has got an excellent operation. They've got a very large team of very talented individuals who come together to provide on-site training, whether it's in the mobile format or at their individual training locations. Our combined efforts, we hope, will continue to have a cascading effect on the future training through 2024 and beyond.
The Cross Training Week is my favorite event that we get to do with the team. It's the only time of year that we all get together in the same space and are able to learn new things and share a lot of knowledge. This week has been great. On Tuesday, we brought in a fantastic trainer named Sam Houston from ATech. ATech builds training boards like the ones behind me on the wall here. We have those in all of our training facilities and in all of our mobile units. Sam showed the group the features of the board and how to utilize the onboard faults to educate the technicians that come to our classes. I really value the collaboration that we have with ATech. Looking forward to working with them more in the future. We use quite a bit of their training aids in our training to help with delivery and understanding. Sam's been a great partner so far, working with us to see what the needs are, and we'll definitely have them at another event in the future.
So the ATech boards are a great training opportunity for us, especially with the way our program works and traveling around the country. We never know what vehicle we're going to have in front of us. So to have an ATech board that still relates to the system and can still be tested just like you would on the car, but available to us and where we know what we're going to work with, and then we can put faults into it as well, creates a more real world scenario wherever we go. Getting a much deeper dive today on the ins and outs of these ATech boards and some of the capability built in them is going to expand a lot on what I do with them moving forward, no matter what ATech board I have in front of me.
The new electrical board that we were cross-trained on is amazing. It can apply to almost any class that we teach as far as electrical, whether it's scope, whether it's basic electrical, it's all there, easy to use, mapped out, diagnostic trouble codes at the press of a button. And so knowing your audience, you can really utilize that board. So being cross-trained on the boards, it's definitely additive to the class, depending on the class that you have as far as their skill set. From the first time we went through the boards to the second time we went through the boards, you always pick up on something. ATech does a great job with listening to the customers, meaning us, to utilize that board to its full potential.
We got together in January down in Miami, Florida, and then we just got together in August in Southfield, Michigan. And when we get together, we're bringing the entire training team together, the content team, and we are taking a deep dive in any new course development and new technologies that are out there. One of the things that we implemented in both events this year actually was cross-training from ATech. So we did a Train the Trainer event on our training tools, and what we've seen, even from the January training, we had CAN and ignition training on training boards. We've seen an increase in the retention rate of that knowledge, and now we're bringing in a new board that hopefully will be able to expand our electrical curriculum to a medium and advanced level, and how they've networked those boards together is absolutely amazing. And so now we can take potentially 8 students and we can have 8 faults, right? One in each board, replicating certain issues on a car. And then they have to go in with a scope, or they have to go in with a meter and work through a diagnostic process. So that saves us from purchasing 8 vehicles. It saves us the brick and mortar space. So we're able to have, a smaller footprint, which then allows us to save money and pass that savings on to our students. We're not just training technicians, we're training students, technicians, college professors, teachers, everybody in the industry. And ATech stood out as one of those companies that would be a great partnership, for us. So it's been absolutely fabulous. The board itself is one thing, but then the activities and that they build for it, the engineering that goes into it, it really is remarkable. And earlier I had talked about the sustainability aspect of it. When we do hands-on training, because that's one of the things the Garage Gurus are known for, we don't have to purchase a bunch of cars. Now we have a small box that potentially mimics what a car does. So we're doing our part for the environment, and ATech is coming along for the ride with us.
The automotive education is key because of the technology, the rapid growth of the technology, and ATech seems to stay with that along with us, which makes our job easier to utilize those ATech boards to keep that growth going.
It is very important to continue education, especially in our industry, just for the simple fact of how fast technology is changing now. It used to be, 4 to 5 years things would stay around, but now it's year to year, things change so quickly. You have to keep up to remain successful in this business.
I would like to give a big thanks to ASE and ATMC for the opportunity to apply for the Automotive Excellence Training Award. I want to thank Garage Gurus and ATech Training for partnering together for their opportunity to make technician training as great as it possibly can be.
I wanted to say a special thanks to ASE and ATMC for putting this award out there and for giving us the opportunity to apply for this award again, but through a partnership with another company in this industry that is of the utmost integrity in my opinion. Thank you very much.